Alright guys, what I didn't actually say was that my trampoline is actually an Asda trampoline, so you're not getting any double bounce, super bounce, none of that crap. It's just normal trampoline, and I'm assuming most of you guys do have a trampoline. I realised this when I was editing, because a lot of people might think that I do have one of them double bounce trampolines or something, because I do jump quite high, because I have learned over my years of trampoline and how to jump high. Now, I say years, I've had a trampoline for just around 4 months now, but I've been going on my friends' trampolines and trampoline parks and that for around 6 to 7 years. Was quite a long time, and I've only recently learned how to properly backflip, so that's when it gave me the idea in my head to make the video. Now, I don't know why I done that, it looks a bit stupid, but yeah guys, you can do a backflip with any trampoline. You can do it without a trampoline. That you just need the confidence and the commitment to be able to rotate and jump at the same time. Now, you can probably do a backwards roly-poly, I'm assuming, and all of that, but if you don't, like jumping in that, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to teach you guys in the video. Now, I'll see you guys when my cameraman has it's his first time, and we need to teach him how to use a camera, aka my little brother, A9 Savage. Link will be down in the description, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. Alright guys, so basically, as I was going through editing this, I didn't really, the wind was appalling, so I'm going to tell you guys what I said in the video, pretty much, as a voiceover. So to start off with guys, I had a terrible cameraman who was my little brother, and at the moment it looks like he's doing quite a good job, but when we go on, he's doing an appalling job. Now, if you guys want, well, I'm going to put some music in the background of this a little bit, because I think it's quite boring me just talking over it, and we're going to quickly get into it. So at the moment, you can probably see we're approaching the trampoline and we hit the trampoline. Now, you guys haven't seen the beginning part. This is how to do backflip in around 10 minutes. Now, to start off with guys, what you want to learn how to do is bounce. Now, when you bounce, you want to, because there's certain techniques of bouncing. Now, the technique I show you now is how I do it, what makes me bounce higher than usual. And how I do that is by just bouncing and bending my knees at the same time, as I'm going up and as I'm going down, as you can see there. And then after a second, after a minute of that, you want to learn how to tuck. Now, when you tuck, you want to bring it in towards you, and as you're bringing it in towards you, you want to just hold it for a bit and then release, but make sure you bend your knees on your way down. Now, if you keep repeating that for around a minute, you should master it. It doesn't take long at all. But next, you want to learn how to do a back roly-poly. Now, as I do say, you can probably see my boxes in this, so I'll pull them up, but that's irrelevant. You want to see how to do a backwards roly-poly. Now, what you want to do is put your hands back, and you want to try and do, instead of a front roly-poly, you want to just do a backwards, and you want to try and tuck, bring your neck a bit in and roll backwards. So yeah, and then you want to learn how to jump and go do that backwards roly-poly in midair. Now, it probably will take you around 2 to 3 minutes of consistently doing it, but then you guys eventually will hopefully have the confidence to do your backflip. Now, with the backflip, is pretty much the exact same as that, apart from instead of jumping your way back, you want to jump up and then rotate back. So I think I do show a demonstration in this. That was sketchy, so I think I did do a sketchy redo. As they say in scooter and a BMX and all that stuff, sketchy redo's the way forward. Now my little brother has terrible camera and you can see his finger and that, but he's going, and he's going to show you his appalling attempt of a front flip. Now, I'm trying to teach him, so he is only 7, so I'll hopefully teach him over time. But let's quickly see this. Now, it's quite a good attempt for his age, but guys, I'm going to go, and if you guys did make it to the end, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. See you guys in a bit. Bye.